Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to place the video inside the tag. So let's not waste any time and start the video. So first open the Filmora and after that click on stock media, and then you can just drag any video which you want. For this example, I'm just going to get this one and I'll just click on that and I'll drag this in the screen, and then I'll click on titles and I'll get the default title and I'll drag that over here. Once you do that, I'll right click on the default title and then I'll just go on advanced edit, and after that I'll just delete this your title here, and then I'll just click on the shape, the second option. Once you do that, click on the middle one and then double click on this text here, delete this, click, and then on the side you will see three options: preset, customize and animation. In customize, if you'll scroll down, you will see one option that says color of the shape, so change it to black, and then you have to pull this black screen as much as you can. Basically we just want this entire screen to be black. So this is how it is, and after that just click on this add text box again, quick tags, and then I'm just gonna drag this text in the middle of the screen. And now let's write our text. Let's say for this example I'll just go ahead and write the road, and after that click on the font size, click on the font style, type impact, select impact, and then this size, let's make it 400. We want this one as big as it can be. So as you can see now, if it's not in the middle of the screen, then you can still adjust that. Make sure it's in the middle of the screen, and after that I'll click on the text again, click on animation, and then for this one, let's say for example I just want the typewriter for this example, so I'm gonna click on this, and then I'll adjust. You can adjust wherever you want. So basically I want this on the entire video, I want this effect, so I'll drag this and then click on apply. Once you do that, click on this text again, and after that on this side you will see three options: text, video and text to speech. Click on text, click on video, blend mode, change it to multiply, and then let's just play our video. So this is how you can do that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe my channel, and have a great rest of the day.